the sibling of a child with a disability is a complicated role that's sometimes unintentionally overlooked. News 8's Sarah Cody begins a two-part series in our Connecticut Families Report.
Whale. That's a sperm whale? He can name all the whales. Quaid? I can barely name half.
12-year-old Gavin Kaminsky.
What's this one, Quaidy?
Orca whale.
That's an orca?
And his little brother Quaid are just 22 months apart.
What's this one?
Whale shark.
Whale shark. Wow.
Gav always looks out for him.
Close in age, close as companions.
I am very protective of him. I don't like when people say bad things about him.
Quaid has autism. Sometimes Gavin is his voice, and oftentimes the 7th grader must be patient, as his parents tend to his brother's needs.
Being a teenager is hard enough, and then being a teenager that has a life at home where your brother at any time could scream at the movies or run away, or we're kind of always on high alert.
It's the life of a sibling of a child with a disability.
I got it.
A role that's complicated, filled with many responsibilities and dueling emotions, and the sometimes overlooked need to deal with those feelings.
We realized, wow, this is something we didn't give any attention to.
It really presents a series of challenges, and those challenges are real on a day-to-day basis.
Dr. Laura Saunders of Hartford Healthcare's Institute of Living says it's not unusual for siblings to feel jealousy, guilt, even embarrassment at times, and talking is key.
I think it's so important for parents to label these emotions for their kids. The sooner we label something as being okay or typical, it actually sort of settles that feeling and doesn't cause it to sort of act out in other ways.
Sometimes when I feel a little bit left out, I ask Dad if he wants to go to the tennis courts on the weekends, and it's nice because I get to play with someone who's really good.
Gavin is starting to advocate for himself, and his parents hope the skills he's learned from his brother, like being flexible and kind, will last him a lifetime.
I think it's just going to make him a better man as he gets older.
Coming up on Wednesday, we take a look at a local support group that's helped Gavin and other siblings find a community of peer support and valuable understanding. With Connecticut Families, Sarah Cody, News 8.